This is me Tuhina from grade 6B studying in Aklavya International School. Today I am going to talk about the arrangement of molecules in different forms. So, are you ready to explore the three states of matter with me? I am sure that you are all familiar with the three states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. In this video, we are going to compare the three states of matter in a more scientific way. Do you all know what matter is? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now let's start with solids. Do solids have fixed shape? Yes, because all these things have a fixed shape. Do solids have fixed volume? Again, it is a yes, because the space that the solids occupy does not change. The molecules in solids are very closely packed, so it has high density. Now let's move on to compressibility. Solids are incompressible. When I try to press this cube, it does not compress. In exceptional cases, this toy, though it is a solid, I can compress it easily because it is made up of sponge with lots of air inside it. Are solids rigid or fluid? The correct answer is rigid because we cannot bend the solids. Fluids are that they can flow. Also, solids have slow or no diffusion. Now let's start with liquids. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. I will prove these 2 points with one single experiment. Now I have taken water in this container and now I am going to transfer it into this container and this container. You can see that the liquid has its own fixed volume. So observe carefully. What is the conclusion of this experiment? It shows that the water had its own fixed volume all the way through, but it does not have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container that it is poured in. The molecules in liquids are less closely packed than solids, so it has a lower density than solids. Now let's take this compressibility test for liquids. Now I have a bottle half filled with water. Now when I try to compress it, we can see that liquids are slightly compressible than solids. Are liquids rigid or fluid? The correct answer is fluid. As you can see, liquids can flow easily. Also, liquids can diffuse with each other. Now let's move Gases. Gases neither have a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Just like liquids, gases also take the shape of the container. The only difference is that the container should be closed because gases can float easily. Now, solids and liquids have a fixed volume, but gases do not have a fixed volume. Now, when I transfer this gas into a larger container, the gases take the shape of the container completely. So, the volume of the gas is equal to the volume of the container. Gases are very loosely packed, so it has very low density than solids and liquids. Now, let's move on to compressibility. Gases are highly compressible. For example, I can squeeze this balloon easily. Just like liquids, gases are also fluids. Gases are greedy. They want to take the shape of the whole container. Whichever container the gas is transferred to, the volume of the gas remains